Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of a trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video in the description. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today, we have skyrocketed to the upside for a fourth day in a row, and we currently find ourselves trading above at 9,000 level at 9,107, and more importantly, the Nasdaq has turned positive for the year. This is remarkable. There's a pandemic going on, there's lockdowns, a quarter of the world's population is currently on lockdown, and the Nasdaq 100 is positive for the year. You would never have thought that we would be here when we're trading as low as 7,000, but we are. This is an incredible V-shaped recovery, and a lot of people are struggling to kind of understand why. Well, I'll tell you why. You have the likes of Google, you have the likes of Facebook, you have the likes of Amazon, some of the biggest stocks, Tesla even, some of the biggest stocks in this industry, and they have all reported growth on their profits compared to this time last year. So this is why these companies, it's remarkable, they're still making profit even when there's a pandemic. Look at Netflix, for example. Again, they've added a record number of subscriptions. You have the likes of Amazon having a record-breaking quarter. You have the likes of Google beating expectations. You have the like of Facebook, and they're still increasing their profits year on year. It's just remarkable. But anyway, we currently find ourselves trading at 9,107. I said in yesterday's video that we need to break above this candlestick, which was last week's high, which is around at 9,133 level. Once we can clear that area, it's very simple. This market is going to 9,700 and there is nothing stopping it. We're in a nice channel to the upside right now, and I just don't see it getting broken unless we do get a second wave of coronavirus or some really bad news. But until that, I just reckon we will grind higher until we come back into contact with that 9,700 area, which was the all-time high for this market. In terms of the RSI, we are at 62, so we're not quite yet at that overbought status. We are approaching it, but we still have some way to rally to the upside, and that could give us enough momentum to break us above this 9,133 area high of last week.